The Horrid Race Car by Ethan Reedy. Voiced by Ethan12345 Gamer. One day, Thomas was pulling along his coaches Annie and Clarabelle. He was supposed to deliver passengers for Gordon all the way to Maron station. However, he was running late. Late I'm run! I can't be late. But suddenly, he was cut off by a horrid race car. Ha ha, stinky steamy, try and catch me now. Jeez, that was mean. What a horrid car. I agree. And agreed, Annie. That was really dangerous. Of course, you should have known better. But now he's back with the job. He would hate to cause confusion and delay. Eventually, at the station, Gordon did give him some grievance. Oh, look what the cat dragged in. Another latecomer. Oh, fuss it up, Gordon. I was late. Because I overslept and some horrid race car drove on the tracks. Yeah, that's your excuse. Nice try, little Thomas, but that won't work. Jeez. I'm on my way. You're annoying. If only that little Thomas could understand. It's hard to believe anything he says nowadays.